Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from MadKin Beauty, and we're also going to be playing with some really adorable reindeer vinyl stickers. But before we get into these vinyl stickers and how I like to apply them to make sure that they are laying super flat and seamless to the nail, we're going to dive into these beautiful winter colors here from MadKin Beauty. Now these colors are everything, and I felt like they fit perfectly for our little reindeer mani today. We're also going to be doing the gel method, and I'm going to do 2 dips of each color. So let's dive into these beautiful colors and see them in action, and sit back and relax and enjoy some Christmas jams, because we only have a few more days to get these in here, and then I'm going to pop back in when it's time to go ahead and apply those vinyl stickers.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go. All right.
Dance, dance,
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
we're gonna
Okay.
dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Now that we went ahead and sealed the nails with a layer of gel base and cured, we're going in with the vinyl stickers. So we're going to use Makartt nail transfer foil glue, and what this is, it's a gel product, and once you cure it, it's going to give the nail a very sticky, tacky layer, which is awesome when you are working with vinyl stickers, because vinyl stickers, they're not completely flat, so they have like a natural, almost like 2D effect to them. So the flatter you can get them, the better. So I'm just using these little tweezers here that have like a really pointy tip. That works best for me when I am moving these stickers and trying to peel them off. And then what I'm doing right now, I do not have that sticker completely flat yet because I am making sure I have these stickers exactly where I want them. And you can see here that I'm easily removing them with the tweezers because they're not completely pressed down. And this is awesome. And then once you get them exactly where you want them, you're going to go ahead and take any silicone tool. I'm just using the one that is conveniently on this little tweezer here. And I am just going to make sure I'm taking my time to make sure that these stickers are laying completely flat. So the more time you take to make them lay super flat, the better outcome it's going to be, because you do not want them to just start lifting up or anything like that. And I'm telling you right now, it is a game changer to use the vinyl stickers with the combination of that Makartt transfer foil glue. Now you could totally not use the transfer foil glue if you don't want to. You can just use the little bit of tacky layer that you get from your gel base that's cured, but it's even more sticky, and I feel like you get a really secure application with that extra barrier of the Makartt transfer foil glue. And I always do a layer of gel base first on the nails that I am going to use that Makartt transfer foil glue on, or any transfer glue in general, because sometimes the transfer foil glue can actually change the color of your dip powder if you do not have that protective barrier on that. So just always keep in mind to make sure you do your gel base first and cure that. So these little eyes are everything. They're dainty, they're adorable. They have like the perfect lashes. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing. We're gonna finish this one off here with a red nose just to tie in that cherry blossom. But you can see here that it is really easy to apply these stickers here. It just takes a little bit of time just to get them exactly where you want them, and just to ensure they are laying super flat. But you can see nothing's sticking up and everything is laying very flat. So then to seal in these stickers, we're going to go ahead and do a layer of gel base here, and make sure you take your time to make sure you are capping those free edges and you're not missing any areas, and then cure for 30 seconds. And then to finish everything up, we're going to do a layer of gel top coat, and then we're going to go ahead and finish up the rest of the nails and cure for 60 seconds. But I'm telling you right now, these stickers were so easy to use. And then here's the finished mani. You can see I did another little reindeer here off camera, but this time I changed it up. I added a little bow and we changed the nose, and it's just so fun, so adorable, super cute. Not only is this great for the holiday seasons, but to me, reindeer are perfect for any time of year, especially in the wintertime. This would also be a cute little twist for like Valentine's Day. But I love the reindeer, and I used to stay away from vinyl stickers because I could not get them to really completely lay flat. And then once I would go ahead and apply that gel base, they would start lifting, and then there would be areas where it wasn't flat and it just looked really wonky. But you can see here that everything is laying very flat to the nail, and you can't even tell that these are stickers. So it's super fun, a great way to add some nail art to your nails that honestly is kind of effortless. You just have to place it and rub the sticker on there and you are good to go. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this mani today. Everything that we did use can be found in that description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's upload.